guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me Tavneet Kaur and I am back with another content. तो आज का कंटेंट है स्पीच. तो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि how to deliver a beautiful speech in front of the audience with full of confidence. So let's begin. So today I am going to speak on the topic importance of unity in life. So let's start. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. A very cheerful and prosperous morning to all. This is Tavneet going to expressionate my views on the topic importance of unity in life. So guys, as you all have heard about the phrase that united we stand, divided we fall. Right. Since we have got independence, we knew that how important unity is. People can easily break you, crush you and throw you if you are alone. But when you stand together, nobody can even touch you. People are here to just modify you. We know that unity gives us courage, power and strength. For example, we can see unity at many places. Let an example take a workplace where team members work together to accomplish the target. If a member work alone, there's a lot of chances to be get defeated. But if we work in unity with harmony, then there's a chances to be get successful. The chance of success gets increases. Unity not only gives us courage, power and strength, but it's also important for the survival. Not only for the humans, but for the animals too. You all must be aware of the story when a father calls his 4 sons and gave one stick to all the 4 and asks it to break it down. The kids do so. But when he asks to do the 100 sticks together, they fail to do so. At that point, father explained his sons that how important unity is. When you are in unity, when you are united with harmony and love, nobody can ever harm you. Anyone can't touch you. So yeah, since we know that unity is given in part to us by very important, unity must be there. We should be united, and when we are united, we stand and face the world with more courage, power and strength. But when sometimes we get influenced by the negative comments of the people that usually they do for their own benefits. That's the point where our unity breaks down. So never let any negative influence on your unity to break it down. Alone we are like one drop, but together we are like ocean. In this world, we are going to meet different types of people having different qualities. So when we are going to match up with them, when we are going to make a patch up with them, we are going to learn many more things. As it says, I can do something which you cannot and you can do something which I can't. But together, we can do great things. So for every problem, there is a solution. Unity is victory. Where there's a unity, there's a victory. Right. So stay united and believe in the power of unity. So at last, but not least, I would like to conclude my topic by saying the word impossible itself says I am possible. So believe in the power of unity, stay united. Thank you. So I hope this helped you. So like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.